Hey guys, I'm extremely excited about today's video. Why? Because I have a goodie from UNice Wigs. Yes, I'm unboxing my very first full wig ever. You heard it, my first wig ever. All right, so let's get into the goodies in the box. Yes, they sent a nice package to accompany the wig, and they included in the package some press-on nails in a nice hot pink color. I'm loving the hot pink color theme. I'm here for it. They also have a wig melting band, but I'm going to be using it to set my edges since I don't really need it for any other purpose. They have a wig cap, and this, guys, I have no idea what this is for. So if you know, if you've seen this before and know what it is, comment down below and let me know, because I'm absolutely clueless. All right, and we have two separator clips for the hair, and we have another wig cap. All right, so the main event, guys. Well, before we get into the main event, we have their cards with the information, the deets, and the thank yous, and all that nice stuff. And this, you guys, is the hair. And this is the UNice wig, the V-part Jerry curl wig. Yes, I believe it's like 20 inches long. And this is looking uber amazing. Yes, immediately to the touch, the hair feels super duper soft, and I can tell just by looking at it that it's well constructed. So as you can see, there's several means of adjusting or securing the wig to your head. There is this adjustable band in the back. They have several combs, and there are the snap clips right where the V is, to make sure that it is properly secured to the head. And then there's this removable band that can provide additional security and tightness if necessary. So if you don't need it, you can remove it and you're good to go. Yeah, it's breathable. And guys, I am ready to get the ball rolling. So I already did my braid pattern. Nothing fancy, just most of them braiding back. And I did some down in the front. Don't ask me why. There's no rhyme to my reasoning right now. I just did that braid pattern. So without any delay, I'm gonna go in for the install. Yes, I'm just aligning the wig to make sure that it lines up with my braid, so that I can insert the comb or the snap clip. And then once I make sure that it is properly aligned and set in the position that I want it, I just go ahead, insert, and close it. Yes, and we're good to go. All right, same thing with the other side. And this is very easy, guys, easy to install. You can be somebody who has no knowledge about wigs or no knowledge about hair, and you can install this on your own head, and nobody will be able to tell that it wasn't done by a professional. I am telling you guys, it is super duper easy. What I love about this wig, guys, is that there is no leave out necessary. And as such, you definitely will be able to shave a lot of time off of your styling if you decide to install a wig like this. It takes no expert skills, and it has no lace. So no lace, no leave out. It is breathable. It is versatile. What more can you ask for from a wig? So now I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle just to activate the curls. And I was sure to do it this way just because I wanted you guys to see it straight out of the pack, and then see, you know, what the effect of the water and the mousse would have on it. But definitely I'm going to be washing it before I actually wear it. But I'm just, you know, doing all of this to show you guys straight from the pack how the hair, you know, responds. So yes, you can see the curls activated nicely. I'm loving the curl pattern already. So I'm just going ahead and doing, you know, one side first and applying my mousse. I'm just using some moisturizing mousse by Cream of Nature to do that, along with my water. And now I'm finger detangling it. And guys, my fingers ran through that hair like a breeze, and I literally had absolutely no shedding. Very well, let me take that back. Very little, nothing to talk about. All right, so now we are done, wetting down both sides, and this is the length that the hair is, but I'm gonna go in and cut it a bit because I want it to have a more natural look, a more layered look, to frame the face a little bit more than it does right now. So I'm just, going in and doing a little bit of cutting, and then I am just brushing it with my brush again. And guys, look at that curl. Absolutely beautiful. Trust me, I'm in love. I love the texture of the hair, the fact that it is super soft, and most importantly, there is little to no shedding. All right, so after the hair has been wet for maybe 2 hours, then it dried down a bit, and as you can see, the volume almost tripled. So this is the true volume of the hair after it has dried. Yes, I just air dried it. You can go ahead and dry it with a blow dryer or under diffuser if you have it, but air drying it was fine for me. So this is how it turned out. I love, love. Did I say love? Guys, and I absolutely did not know how to act, guys, after installing this wig, because I had so many misconceptions about wigs. It was not funny. I felt like I didn't like the whole lace look. I felt like it was very challenging to install, and all of those misconceptions I had in my mind. And until I came across this UNice wig, I was in the dark and now I'm in the light, and I'm loving it. So yeah, this is how it's looking in the back, nice and full. It really looks like a naturally kinky curly hair texture, and that's what I actually love about it. Also, the texture is very realistic. And even though it's a wig, you best believe that it's so versatile that I have the option to, pin it up if I so choose to, and it, still looks pretty nice and natural. Yeah. So if I'm running to the store, I can easily just put a claw clip on it for, a more casual look, and just, frame my face with the little bangs that I created. And yeah, we're good to go. No issues, no worries, no drama. This hair is just the bomb, and I can see myself in the gym rocking this hair also, up in a high ponytail. No issues, no drama. That's my theme for this hair. No issues and no drama. All right, cute. Or if you want to just go out something more dressy, go to a more dressy function or something. Just do 2 flat twists at the front, bend them back, and it takes the hair off of your face, and it also gives it a nice little pin-up vibe to it. Yeah. All right, so now I'm doing the security test. I'm just doing my shake check, back and forth, side to side, to see if the wig is still in place or if it's gonna shift. And it's definitely still in place. Definitely still doing its thing. Guys, I'm just too elated right now to even speak. I don't know. I feel like I could see myself wearing this wig every day and not get tired, not get bored. I love the fact that I can take it off and put it on every day. And that's the thing that I think I was intimidated by with wigs, is the fact that I felt like it had to be glued down to my head. I'm sure you guys would be interested in the hair. I'm going to leave the link to it below. They also have a bunch of different wigs, so you can check those out also. Thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you guys for making it Naturalhairnamix once more, and for sticking and staying, for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. And I will see you guys on my next video, which will be coming up soon.